Today we're going to be doing this vampy dramatic look right here. I messed with the Tarte palette, I messed with the Wet n Wild palette, I messed with the Revolution palette. I was just wanting to mess with purples today, and I did, and I love how it looks, and I love the color that I put on the inner corner of the eye. It's a white with a purple pink reflect, and I love it so much, and I was very inspired by that color, so that's how I achieved this look. So if you want to learn how to get this very dramatic vampy look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild palette, and this is in Not a Basic Peach, and I'm going to take this transition color right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease as a transition. And yeah, so since today we're going to be doing like a purple kind of smoky eye, I want to put a couple transitions in my eye so it would blend very nicely and it's not like very patchy or anything, and this will make it not patchy, so that's why we're going to be doing this. I also was kind of winging it out and bringing it back to the eye, like on the outer part, because I really want it to kind of wing out a little bit and come back to the outer part of the eye. So crease and then out and then in, kind of like that. So now we're going to be taking the Tartiest Pro palette, and I want to take this color right here, which is called Chick. And I just want to take that as a base for the purple that we're going to be taking. So I'm just going to do the same exact thing, go in the crease, go out, and then go back in. And now I want to take one of the purples in here. I am going to be taking a purple from the Revolution palette because there's a shade in here that I really want to take, and I'll show you guys. I really want to take this color and maybe a little bit of this one right here. But I don't want to go right in with that right now. This color right here, which is called Profesh, right? Yeah, Profesh. And I'm just going to take that color, it's kind of like a purple undertone, and I'm just going to take that color and put that in the crease also. So now I'm going to go in with the lightest purple in the palette, which is this one right here. I'm just going to take that and put that in the crease. So now I'm going to go in with the white in this Tarte palette, and this one's called Vintage, and I'm just going to grab a flat brush and I'm just going to like plop it right on the inner part of the eye, and then I'll blend it out later so it's not like very white. So yeah. I think I'm going to take this purple right here and just put a little bit on the outer part of the eye just so it's a little bit darker and a little bit like, you know. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it on the outer part of the eye. Alright guys, so I did my full face off camera, and I zoomed you guys in a little bit more so we can move on to the bottom lash line. And the lashes that I'm wearing today are the, what are they? The Vegas Nay Grand Glamour lashes. That's what I'm wearing today. And yeah, so we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line. Now I already put this color on my lower lash line, and yeah, so I just put a little bit down there so the purple will blend very nicely, and we're just gonna dive in with the purple. So we're gonna take that purple and put it close to the waterline and blend it down and connect it to the lid. Right here, and I'm just gonna take that and put it on the outer part of the eye. Now, I really have been wanting to use this color for a hot minute now, so I'm going to use it today. It's in the Revolution palette, and it's this color right here. Now, it looks like a white, but when you swatch it and like in the light, it's purple, and it's really, really cool, and I want to put that in my inner corner since this is like a purple smoky eye. I want to use it, so we're going to use it. So yeah, and we're not going to put it on the brow bone. We're going to use something else for the brow bone. I think I'm just going to put a white, just to make it like more pop in the inner corner and not like something bright on the inner corner and brow bone. I just want the main focus to kind of be in the inner corner because I really, really, really want to use this color. So we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to put some powder under my eyes so we can put some mascara on our bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take this Rimmel London White Liner Pencil, and I'm just going to pop that on my waterline real quick. Now, I'm going to grab this. I have never tried this before. I know what it looks like, but I'm kind of scared because I don't know if it's going to be too much. But this is, well, I don't even know the brand of this, but BR, I don't know what that stands for, but I know it's at the drugstore. I got it at Walgreens, but I forgot what it's called, but the initials is BR. But this is the Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. What is this in? Oh my god, there's like no name. But it just looks like this. It's not really anything special. But I'm just gonna plop that on. Alright, so I changed my lippy because the lippy that I had on earlier, that purple one, I felt like when I put it on and like I put it on my lips and I was just like looking in my vanity and I was like, I look dead. Like I did too much purple. Like I need to take off this lippy now and change it to something else. So I chose these two right here. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Vintage. And then I just plopped on a little bit, just the littlest bit, just a little bit, of this Revlon lip gloss in Sky Pink. And yeah, I really wanted to do something very vampy and something like very like, but something very natural at the same exact time. Not natural, but it's like not like as hardcore, like dramatic, kind of look. I think to me, if you didn't do like that very harsh line like that, you know what I'm talking about, it wouldn't be as dramatic as it's looking because that's making it look like very dramatic. But for me, I just wanted to do that because I wanted to make my eyes look a little bit like, you know, like that's just the effect that it's doing for me. It's just bringing my eyes up a little bit more and just making them like boom. But you totally don't have to do that little wing out. You could totally just do like a natural look with purples. You could do whatever you want. You literally don't have to do that. You could do that, and you could do a wing that will make it more dramatic and more pulled up looking. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next, so it'll let me know what you guys want to see next, obviously, and I could, you know, get to know you guys more, what you guys like, and stuff like that. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. It'll help me out a lot. And also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And you could be the first one to like, comment, and share this video. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!